Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Oracle SQL Developer in Windows 11. So for that I will go to the Google search bar and I will type download Oracle SQL Developer. I will go to this website and look SQL Developer 24.3.1. I will go down and I will click this. I will download this first. Windows 64-bit with JDK 17 included. Just click download. So I have already downloaded this file. So I'm going to cancel the download process. So let me just go to this directory. Look, I have already extracted this. All you need to do is first download the file and then click extract all. So I've already done that. Let me just go to the extracted folder and I will just click SQL developer. Click SQL developer and just wait. So for this window, I'm going to click no. Okay. So now in order to establish a new connection, all you need to do is just go over here, new database connection, and you need to provide the name. Let's say I will provide Oracle, and you need to provide the username and the password. So the username will be system, and the password, this is the password that you have set while installing the Oracle database. Okay, so I'm not going to mention anything over here. So okay, then you will click you will first click test. If it is successful, then you will click connect. Okay, I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.